Here is an exercise for you. Your task is to create a script which scrapes this value here on the web page. And it does that every 2 seconds. And it saves each file in a text file. So notice that I'm on the web page here, so I'm not logged in. You see this is a home page. So the output should look something like this. Let me fork this. I'm not going to show you the code. So let's say scrape dynamic values and save to files or to file. So each value in one file. So you should write a script that if you run that script, then every 2 seconds, one text file should be generated here in the file directory. The name of each text file is going to reflect the current date time. So for example, it would be something like this. Let's suppose the time now is 2022. Let's say is February and 10th of February, and maybe a dot, and then you have the hour. So let's say it's 14 now in the afternoon, and then a dash again, the minutes, let's say it's 33, and the second, let's suppose is 59.txt. So the script would generate that file, and inside this file would be the current temperature, let's say 23. Then after 2 seconds, another file would be generated. The name of that other file would be similar to this, so 2022, 210, 14, and then it would be something like 2 seconds after the first one, which is in this case 34 minutes and 03 seconds.txt. So 3 seconds after the first one. You see, every 2 seconds this would have the current value, maybe 25, and so on. So you get the idea. The script should be running continuously, scraping and generating text files every 2 seconds. Good luck with your task.